Once, a mighty lion was sleeping in the forest. A little mouse came by, running over his paw. The lion woke up, angry, and caught the mouse with his huge paw. "How dare you disturb me?" roared the lion. "Please forgive me," squeaked the mouse. "One day, I might help you." The lion laughed. "You? Help me? You're too small." But feeling kind, he let the mouse go. A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He roared and struggled, but the net was too strong. The mouse heard his cries and came running. Using his sharp little teeth, the mouse gnawed through the ropes and set the lion free. "You were right," said the lion, grateful. "Even the smallest creature can be a big help." Moral: never underestimate others. Even the smallest among us can make a big difference.